Noddy, help! It's a disaster!
What's the matter, Mr. Wobbly Man?
I've lost the remote control from my jelly mixer. Without my mixer, there's no jelly. And, well, without jelly, the jelly bowl is just a bowl.
No jelly? Well, that is a disaster. Wiz will know how to get your mixer working.
Goodbye. How did this happen?
Mr. Wobbly Man has lost his remote control. Bzzz. Then it is a good thing that I just finished my greatest invention. Observe.
A spanner?
What? Oh, bzzz. I mean this. Where is it? Bzzz. Ooh. Lindy?
On my way. It might be a mess, but I know exactly where everything is. I think. What were you looking for?
Oh. My super-duper control-it-all. With this, I can control any gadget or gizmo. See that magnet?
That's brilliant, Wiz. Just what Mr. Wobbly Man needs for his mixer.
I have only just finished it. It needs a proper test.
I could test it, then take it straight to Mr. Wobbly Man.
Good idea. And I will get to work tidying up around here.
Bumpy, I'm home. Is it time to play? How about tag? Tag, you're it. That was great. Oh, but look at the mess we've made. It will take ages to clear up. Unless... It worked! Let's play clearing up. Hello, Wiz. It's Noddy. Your remote works perfectly. I'll take it to the jelly bowl right now. Hey! Where's Wiz's remote? Whoa! So that's why my things are going crazy. Come on, Bumpy, hand it over. Bumpy, this isn't another game of tag. Come on, car. Follow that Bumpy.
Very peculiar.
After you, Mr. Jumbo.
Oh, no, Clockwork Mouse, I insist you go first.
Oh, but you're bigger.
That's true, but I'm allowing you to go first.
Oh, okay then.
What a muddle. We'll soon sort it out if you'll all wait your turn. Jail doors misbehaving, now traffic lights. Very peculiar.
Sorry, Mr. Plod. It did it by itself.
Very peculiar.
We need to get that remote.
Bumpy! How did he get my control at all?
Don't move, Bumpy. Here's a good dog. Oh, no, Bumpy! Careful, car. Careful.
My control it all is controlling everything. Including me.
Excuse me, Mr. Beetle. Could I borrow your hose?
No.
Still no jelly, I'm afraid. Still can't find the remote.
Don't worry. Bumpy's got a remote control that makes everything work. Your jelly's going to save the day. Hey, everybody. I need your help to get Bumpy jumping all over Wiz's remote. Call to him. Get him really excited.
Come on,
Come on, Bumpy. You can do it. Come on, Bumpy. I hope this works. Come on, Bumpy. Let's press it. Let's press it.
Oh! My jelly mixer! It's working!
Bumpy's really sorry about the control it all, Wiz.
Maybe it is safer if everything has its own remote, after all.
It's pretty safe in there. A bit sticky, though.
I'm sure it is all right to take it out now.
I was hoping you'd say that, so I brought some ice cream.
Ice cream? How very delicious!
Did you take all these photos, Mr. Plod?
Indeed I did, Noddy. I'm very pleased with this one. The yellow spotted schnozzler.
That's a good name for him.
Oh, jelly all round. Oh, whoops, jelly fingers.
Now it's a yellow and green spotted schnozzler.
Oh, apologies, Mr. Plod.
Which do you think is your favourite, Mr. Plod?
Well, actually, Noddy, I think my favourite is one I've yet to see. The Enchanted Warbler. Ooh, I would give my policeman's helmet to see one of these. Ooh, it has a very distinctive call.
I've heard that bird in the Enchanted Wood.
You've heard a warbler in the wood? When? Where? Oh, my goodness. Come on, Noddy. Show me where.
OK, Mr. Plod.
One thing you'll need to know about bird watching, Noddy. You have to be very quiet or you'll scare the birds right away.
All right, Mr. Plod. I'll be quiet.
To the Enchanted Wood.
Shh, Bumpy. You'll scare the birds away.
Oh, we'll never see the Enchanted Warbler if Bumpy carries on like this, Noddy.
I'm sorry, Mr. Plod. I'll try and keep him quiet.
Ah, ooh, shush.
Gobbo, shh. Someone's having fun. Aha! What kind of fun are they having?
It looks like they're searching for something, Sly.
Any luck, Mr. Plod?
I can't see the Enchanted Warbler anywhere.
Enchanted Warbler? They're looking for birds.
Birds? Why would they look for birds?
Because it's their idea of fun. And Goblin rule number 1 is...
Always try and spoil the fun.
This is Goblin Gizmo's best Enchanted Warbler bird caller.
Oh, sounds like the birds outside our treehouse, Sly.
Does it?
If I'm not mistaken, that's an Enchanted Warbler, or I'm a yellow-spotted schnozzler.
Right, Gobbo, you go that way, I'll go this way. We're going on a wild goose chase, or should I say, Enchanted Warbler chase. Off you blow, then.
Another warbler, Mr. Plod.
Must be a nesting pair, Noddy. What a thought! Enchanted Warbler chicks!
You follow that one, and I'll follow this one.
You.
Oh, there it is again. I'm stuck on a branch. chance. Ow! Oh, bother!
Well done, Bumpy. Bumpy? That's not an enchanted warbler. That's a goblin.
Well, so near, and yet so stuck. Am I seeing things? Plod's on the case!
Drop the bird caller, Gobbo.
Ooh. Ah.
I'm here, Noddy! We've been tricked! It wasn't an enchanted warbler after all. How very peculiar.
It can't be the goblins. We've got their bird callers.
Noddy, it must be the real enchanted warbler.
Come on, Mr. Plod. This is your chance to get a photo.
All this exercise isn't good for me.
Sly, I thought we dropped our bird callers.
We must be near now.
Enchanted warblers! At last! And in the Goblin's tree!
Go away, birdies!
By my shiny buttons! There's a nest!
We're not staying here to watch them enjoy themselves. Come on, Gobbo.
Oh, yeah.
Enchanted warblers indeed.
Oh no, the nest!
My helmet!
You said you'd give your helmet to see a warbler, Mr. Plod, and you did.
What's the birdie? What the birdie? Oh, you'll like this one, Gobbo. The goblin-haired tree hammer.
Oh, that looks like Sly when he's just woken up.
How long are you going to be here bird watching?
Just until the baby birds are old enough to leave the nest.
Any chance of another cup of tea, Sly? Listen, my little beauties.
I don't know which is worse, the tweeting or the laughing.
Hello, Bumpy. You want to play fetch? It's much too early for that. Playtime doesn't start until the cuckoo calls. Oh, let's get some more sleep.
This is the life, eh, Gobbo? A miserable early morning walk through Toy Town and a look. Ha ha! No fun.
That's because everyone's still sleeping, Sly.
Exactly.
We should be sleeping too, Sly. What?
Come on.
Oh.
A jelly genius like me needs an early start. Especially when I'm mixing my new every flavour under the sun special. Who can lie in bed when there's this beauty to try? What? Oh, Bumpy. Oh, what's this? You want to play? Oh, careful. Ah! Oh, I say, rather tasty. Oh, a flavour explosion! Oh, a success! Try it, Bumpy. Play fetch with you? Not now, Bumpy. I'm much too busy. I've got 100 jellies to make before opening time. Busy, busy, busy.
Oh. Oh. What? Fun? This early in the morning?
What? Oh, where's my blanket?
Wake up, sleepyhead. We've got fun to spoil.
Oh, all right, okay. Have we had breakfast yet?
Got it! Run for it, Gobbo! Hurry up, Gobbo, get in! Why is he still chasing us?
Maybe he's after this.
Oh, get rid of it, Gobbo.
He's after us again.
Silly dog. He thinks we're playing fetch.
Help, Sly.
Huh? We don't like water.
Morning, Toy Town! Now it's time to play. Fetch, Bumpy, fetch! Oh, Bumpy? Why are you so tired? We've only just woken up.